brown stewed chicken. We got some fresh thyme, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes sliced up. Start off with some clean chicken using a little all-purpose seasoning. Go ahead and coat that. Coat that very well. Got a little allspice berries. Then we're going to put a little bit of browning. The browning going to make the color pop. It's not going to add a little flavor, but it's going to make it pop. Add all those fresh herbs to the pot. Mix that all together. Once you get all that mixed together, let it sit for about 30-45 minutes. Now it's time to brown it. Got a pot with a little bit of vegetable oil. Go ahead and brown that chicken. We're not cooking it all the way. We're going to cook it halfway. Going to go ahead and brown both sides, about 3 minutes each side. You don't want to overcrowd your pot. They'll start to steam. Once that one side is done, go ahead and flip it over. I got a lot of chicken, so I'm cooking it in batches. So once that side, both sides are done, take it out, move to the side. Like I said before, I'm cooking in batches. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out and add the second batch. Took about 6 minutes. Go ahead and add that second batch. Go ahead and brown both sides again. Repeat the process. Once that's all brown, go ahead and take that out. Empty out that oil. Add the chicken back to the pot. Leave that goodness in there. That stuff that's on the bottom, that's goodness. That is goodness there. Get that all added back in the pot. We're going to add those vegetables, those fresh herbs back to the pot. Get that all in there. Mix it all together. I'm going to go ahead and mix that all in. Incorporate it all in there. Everything that's on the bottom, that's goodness. It's going to come right up. We're going to add a little hot water, not cold water, but hot water to the pot. You don't want to cover the water to the top of the chicken. You want to keep it under the chicken. Add some ketchup. That's the secret ingredient, by the way, that ketchup. Stir that all in. Get that nice and mixed. Now this is going to cook about 45 minutes. Add a hot pepper if you would like. Just don't want to let it bust. 45 minutes later, voila. You don't want to overcook it, then it'll be too tender. Fall right off the bone then. Want to have a little bite to it. Play that up with some rice and peas and some plantain. Oh, so delicious. Leave in the comments what you would like for me to cook next. Appreciate you.